Amur equipment finance, PPP loan, SBA loan. Of course, we're going to talk about CHIME, Huntington Capital Plus, all that good stuff, right? My name is QUiNTiN Banks. Let's get right into this. At any time, if you guys got questions, feel free to drop those questions, comments, concerns below as I try my best to help you guys. I got other financial institutions who actually try their best to help you guys as well, because at the end of the day, we're just here to help you guys. So yeah, let's get right into this. Has anyone got a loan through Amur equipment finance? If so, how long after signing docs did you get your money? Now, comment below if you have this bank and you're still waiting. I know a lot of people, or some people, has asked me about this bank. Also, a lot of people has asked me about the Cash App and Chime. So if you guys have Cash App, Chime, I got a video right before this one. I actually discuss and talk and break that down as well. But does anybody have Amur equipment finance and are looking for their PPP loan? Hopefully we can get some answers here shortly for you guys. That way, you know what I mean, at the end of the day, you guys know exactly what's going on, right? Got it. They said, I have applied and show approved with SBA, but no docs yet and no funds. What's your timeline so far? Good question. So comment section, drop your timeline down below. Let me know where you guys stand. Somebody said, I applied 3/11, sent the SBA 3/12, received loan docs today 3/17, funded 3/23. So within, it looks like 2 weeks, they were funded. From the time they were applied 3/11, SBA sent 3/12, funded 3/23. Wow, applied 3/2, but approved. There's still no docs yet. Lucky you. So it looks like people have been receiving at least documentation and funded very soon when it comes to that. Somebody said, yes, approved before I receive my loan docs. No money yet. And that's always good. Even if you have not received your money, at least you sign documents, and those documents actually put you on the at least on a system, right? You know what I mean? You're in the system. Your funds are on the way. You know, your funds are on the way. Somebody said, so normal time frame for funding is a week. I signed loan docs last night. It appears like they are running 7 to 10 days. I am exactly where you are. I'm approved as of Friday and haven't gotten the docs. So according to a lot of my members, they are stating that it takes 7 to 10 days. And I do want to remind you guys, business days, you know, so business day is Monday through Friday, 5 days a week. Don't include Saturday and Sunday. Some people do include it, but I would tell you guys, don't include Saturday and Sunday. Those are just bonus days, because something may happen on those weekends. But when it comes down to banks, you know, and finances, they're talking Monday through Friday. You know, there's no banks open on Sundays. Saturdays they open limited time, but as far as things getting processed, it does just like Monday through Friday. Somebody said, I've reached out their chat and was told to wait for documents. They didn't provide much else, but I also sent an email last night, got an automated response that they would be in touch within 24 hours. I feel a little better after seeing that they would be sending docs from someone or actually get my docs. Fingers crossed it happens today. Please post here when you get your docs. I'll do the same. So yeah, man, it looks like everybody has been commenting and had questions. As I always say, man, feel free to drop your comments, concerns below. Let me know where you guys stand, because I know a lot of people, you know, are in the same position. But it does look like, just to give you guys some clarity, it does look like it's going to be 7 to 10 days, guys. 7 to 10 days. Let me know if you guys have waited longer than that. As well, we now have the docs ready to go, and we are sending out your docs to thousands of you all tomorrow. You do not have your documents in your inbox by 4 p.m. Central Time, please DM us, as we are working to get these to everyone as soon as we can. We are assigning an entire team to do only this tomorrow, as we know how important these funds are for your business. Thanks for your patience, and we are going to do all we can to deliver. Somebody said, I received my documents signed. Is there a reason I haven't moved to funding status? They begin to say it can take up to 10 to 14 days to get the funds after you sign the loan notes. Thank you for reaching out to us. Someone from your office said it could take 14 to 21 days. Is this true? And it goes on and on. Somebody said I signed the 5th as well, and nothing yet. Their excuse is the SBA sends out funding, so they have no clue, which is a lie because SBA issues the approval and the lender disperses the funds. So hopefully by tomorrow, because at this point it seems sketchy. So yeah, guys, drop the comments below. Let me know exactly where you guys stand. I will keep this up there. If you guys got any questions regarding this, as I always say, feel free to drop those questions, concerns below. My name is QUiNTiN Banks. We're going to talk about CHIME. We're also going to be talking about Capital Plus. If you guys got any questions, Cash App, PPP, all that good stuff, right? So feel free to drop those questions, concerns below. My name is QUiNTiN Banks. Stay loyal, stay blessed, stay true, stay you. Cash App, PPP, deposit, Blueacorn. We got some good news here. Guys, drop the comments below. Let me know exactly where you guys stand. How long have you guys been waiting? It does look like people are getting funded as of this week. So we're going in the right direction. My name is QUiNTiN Banks. Feel free to like and subscribe. That way, number one, you're entered in a contest / giveaway that I'm doing at the end of the month. And also, you will be updated with the latest and the greatest information. So let's get right into this. I'm not here to waste any more time. All right, let's go. Blueacorn accepted my Cash App business account. Says I'll be funded in 1 to 3 days. So that means they accepted the Cash App, or will they reject it? Good question. And I got a lot of comments we'll go over. That way, hopefully this will help you guys. Now, a lot of people were using CHIME, we're using Capital Plus. I discussed both of those banks on my channel, but it looks like some people were getting rejected. Now, as of right now, as I talked about in my previous videos, it does look like they go through phases of, okay, this is the bank everybody's gonna get accepted with. Then it's like they go over to the next bank. So like I said last month, we talked about Capital Plus. A lot of people were getting funded there. That's not saying that people still won't get funded. That's just stating that it was a moment in time where people were getting funded with Capital Plus. Now it looks like people are getting funded with Cash App. Now, I'm telling you guys this because you guys are letting me know how you guys are getting funded. So I'm just trying to be the voice for everybody and, help you guys out. So if you guys, ever question, why am I talking about this bank? Why am I talking about that bank? Let alone, I feel like it's all to help and benefit everybody because you guys are letting me know which banks are actually out here being funded. Now, I didn't know personally that Cash App had a business account. I did know that, but I didn't know they were getting funded and people were actually using Cash App. So that's a plus. That's a plus for using Cash App. So let's get into these comments. Somebody began to say Cash App will not reject your PPP loan deposits as long as the name on the loan and the name on your account match and the loan is less than 25K. So that's a big, that's some vital information, that's critical because a lot of people are trying to get these loans and they were wondering how much would that loan have to be? Would it have to be 40K, 20K, 15, 5? So it does look like if your loan is under 25K, you will be funded. Now, I don't see that being an issue because a lot of people were already stating that. A lot of people were already stating, hey, I was getting funded, people were getting funded with 20K, people were getting funded with 15, 10, 5, 2, 3, 4, all depending on the number. But as I always say, every business is different, guys. So that's why you guys want to, number one, make sure your Cash App is a business account. So you can go into your settings, you can actually contact Cash App. Some people contacted them on Twitter, some people contacted them on email. Any way for you to get in contact with them, they will actually tell and help you guys do that. Now, I don't have, I'm not going to do that here on this video, but if you guys need help with that, I guess you can drop the comments below and I'll actually look into that as far as switching it to business. Now, somebody said, I wish I knew how to post pics on here. I post a screenshot of my deposit. There is also floating around a Cash App customer service rep saying they're not doing PPP loans, but they will accept PPP loan deposits as long as they're less than 25K and the loan is in the account holder's name. So of course, and that's with every bank as far as right now, the account on your name and the account on your name on your loan has to match up. So if your business or your name, these are examples, your business and your name is Jacob, and then on your bank account you got Drake, you guys most likely will get rejected. Or if it's under your wife's, your girlfriend's, you know what I mean, whatever the case may be, it may get rejected. Because a lot of people were doing that, where okay, I'm just gonna use my girlfriend's bank account, I'm just gonna use my cousin's bank account, and that's not how it works. Because you guys gotta understand, with a lot of these, they're all automated services, and that automated service will actually will do the opposite. As far as they will check, okay, your address, your name, if it doesn't match up just off the checks, you will get rejected instantly, you know. So a lot of people have been getting rejected just based off the fact that their name didn't match up. Now, you know what I mean, a lot of people think, well, you should know that, but a lot of people really don't know that. So that's good. You know, somebody said keep us updated. Of course, I'm going to keep you guys updated. Womply says Cash App will get rejected, so I don't know. And like I said, people are getting accepted with Cash App. So if you got Cash App right now, feel free to drop those comments below. Let me know exactly what's going on. As of right now, people are getting funded with Cash App, guys. So I'm not going to, you know, get more deep into it. If you guys are getting funded, if you guys want to actually transfer or change your bank account, you guys should be able to do that all in the settings. But I do want to give you guys a warning that if you guys do that, that's a possibility of moving you out of the line. So let's say if you go ahead and update banking information, that may actually knock you off. Now, I'm not saying that it will, not saying that it won't, because like I said, everybody is different, but that is a possibility of knocking you off. Now, a lot of people are also saying, what about Chime? You know, as far as I know, Chime was working, but like I said, I always got people that says, you know, Chime rejected me or Chime accepted me. So I don't know the process on behind that and how that goes, because a lot of people may have waited, you know what I mean, a wait time for people that's signed in April, signed in May. They may be getting funded now. Then you also got people that was signed and going through everything in June getting funded. So it does like its quick turnarounds with Chime. Now Chime also, Cash App. I'm gonna say Cash App. Some lenders, they got like a Cash App, it's like integrated in their system. So it's easy to verify with Cash App, but just make sure you have a business account. I'm not too sure about personal accounts, so if you guys got personal account with Cash App, feel free to drop them below and let me know. I am here to help you guys, especially with finances. I talk about a lot of other videos as well on my channel, so feel free to check those videos out as well. Stay loyal, stay blessed, stay true, stay you. So with that being said, let's get right to this. Now, somebody began to say, I hope our deposits drop tonight. Been a long wait for us. So with that being said, guys, drop the comments below. Let me know how long you guys been waiting. Whether if you got any type of bank, you know, and any lender, let me know exactly how long you guys been waiting. Also, let me know, you know what I mean, if you had to re-verify anything as well, because a lot of people was telling me they had to re-verify bank details. They had to re-verify, you know, basically your contact information as well, you know what I mean? So if you had to re-verify, let me know about that as well. A lot of people were saying tonight is a funded night. You know, I talked about it before where I said I didn't think banks were funding and banks were running on Sundays, but it does look like they are running on Sundays. So I guess we will all find out later on tonight exactly what's going on. You know what I mean? That way, number one, I can keep you guys updated, but you guys are going to actually keep me updated as well. Now let's get right to this. Also, before I read some more comments, I do want to let you guys know at any time I do have the playlist on my channel, and that playlist does say, Chime. It does say Blueacorn, Womply. You know what I mean? So I got that playlist on my channel that actually states and shows exactly what those updates are, and that's the best way to actually doing it, guys. That's just the best way of actually doing it. You know what I mean? Is checking those updates as well. But I actually got a update video on there as well. Now let's get into this. Somebody said me too. They said, when did you sign your PN? They said 6/1. Same. Yes, I did also 6/1. So it does look like a lot of people just signed theirs, beginning of this month. And I know I got people that's been waiting since March, April, May, and of course June. So, you got people waiting as long as 3 to 4 months for this, Not stating they will receive it or they won't, but it really just all depends. But I'm gonna keep hope alive. But like I said, it all depends on your business. It all depends on the amount you're getting. You know what I mean? So if you think you're gonna get a large amount, it may take a little bit longer. But if you guys are getting a shorter amount, I do believe that's going to be for your benefit. That's going to be for your benefit as well, you know what I mean? But like I said, everybody's different. Let's just hope for tonight. Let's hope for tonight somebody begin to say, yeah, I'm in the same boat. Been patiently waiting for my deposit as well. PN on 5:30, PN 5:27. So it does look like people have been waiting for that, you know what I mean, for a month or two. But like I said, everybody is different. So you got to kind of critique it to your own business, your own status as well. You know, feel free to drop those comments below. Let me know exactly where you guys stand. As you guys already know, I'm going to keep you guys updated each and every day. My name is QUiNTiN Banks. I am here to provide the latest and greatest information. And I got a little bit more information if you guys want to stay tuned as well. Stay loyal, stay blessed, stay true, stay you. All things finance, PPP loan, SBA. My name is QUiNTiN Banks. We're about to give you the latest and the greatest update.